We all love the convenience of buying jewelry from the comfort of our own homes. But without trying on your favorite pieces, how do you know which size is right for you? Here's a quick demonstration on how to quickly and accurately measure your ring size. To do this, you'll need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, a tape measure or ruler, and a marker. First, cut a strip of paper that's 1 centimeter wide by 10 centimeters long. Then wrap the paper tightly around the base of your finger and mark where the paper overlaps. Unroll the paper and measure the distance from the edge of the paper to the mark that you just made in millimeters. This is the circumference of your finger. Once you have this measurement, pause the video on this handy conversion chart to find your corresponding ring size. If the base of your finger drastically differs in size from your knuckle, measure your knuckle as well, and choose the size that falls in the middle of these two measurements. Congratulations! You've now measured your ring size and you can confidently shop all of your favorite jewelry.